Hello everyone, this is Rani Singh and welcome to my YouTube channel. And as this is my first video on YouTube, so I hope you guys like it and just give me suggestions so that I can make more video and some give you some tips related to your dream, specifically about the aviation, because I have been part of the aviation industry, and yes, I have good amount of knowledge relating the aviation industry, so I can give you some tips and some knowledge regarding the airline and the vacancy so as well. So yes. So today I'm here to give you some short briefing about the airline, specifically about the Indigo. And yes, if you're going for the Indigo as a ground staff, you must have the knowledge, basic knowledge about the policies and their rules and regulations, because Indigo is very restrict and they are very curious about their policies. So don't waste your time by going there and without having any kind of information. So yes, as I have been selected for the ground staff in Indigo, and it's been more than 3 months, but still I'm waiting for their response. After interview, they will keep you on hold for some certain time, and when they're gonna start their batch, then they will invite you for the training, and all the process will start at the time. But before the selection and after all this thing, you have to be knowledgeable, and you have to be aware of their policies. So let's just start the video. So yes, if you're going for the ground staff in Indigo Airlines, so you should have a degree with you and you should be graduate person. Then only you will get the chance to sit at the venue. And the second option would be with you that if you are experienced of any of the airline or any of the department in aviation, then only you can get the chance to sit at the interview. So before going that, just read their description and their policy, their requirement, so that you can highly eligible for the position you're going for. And the best thing I would suggest you to have your own experience. Don't go by somebody's suggestion and somebody's advice that yes, this thing gonna happen. Just go and get a good experience by your own. Then only you can be eligible and you can be knowledgeable that yes, that is their requirement and where you are lacking, because everybody will give their own experience, and that is not something or certain that gonna you will face at your interview. So yes, and keep improving yourself. The best thing through that you can get the job at the airport, that you should improve your communication skills and being aware of any of the airline which you're going for. And all the best you guys for your future, and hope for the best.